Assalamu alaikum students. In today's English lesson, we will read and learn the words that begin with the consonant blends kr, fr and br sounds. Now let's see and repeat with me each and every word. Read the word that begin with the consonant blend br, 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 bread, 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 brinjal, 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 branch, 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 brush, 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 brush. Read the words that begin with the consonant blend kr, 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 crow, 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 crib, 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 crown, 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 crayons, 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 crayons. Read the words that begin with the consonant blend fr, 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 frock, flock, frock, flock, frock, flock, frog, frame, 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 fruits, 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 frog, 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 review, bread, brinjal, branch, brush, crow, crepe, crown, crayons, frock, frame, fruits, frog. Now let's see student this worksheet. Now I will show you how to do this worksheet. Now first picture is brush. So we have to write here br consonant blend. Now next picture is crow. We have to write here cr consonant blend. Now third picture is frog. We have to write here fr consonant blend. Now next picture is bread. We have to write here br consonant blends. Now next picture is crab. We have to write here cr consonant blend. Now next picture is frog. Frog. We have to write here frog consonant blend sound. Okay. I hope you all understood well how to read and spell all these consonant blends words. But you need to practice for comfortable reading. Do practice more with your parents and do your homework on time. Assalamu alaikum.